Paper airplanes are super fun to build, and with just a couple of tips, you can make super successful paper airplanes. This is the template I'm going to be following with us today. It comes from a website called funairplanes.com. We're going to be following that template. They have a downloadable file. They have several different ones. This is just one of them. It has all three of these pages. We're going to spend most of our time looking at this page. But before we do that, I want to talk just a little bit about a fold. When we make a fold, what we want to do, for example, if we want to make a centerline fold, we bring these two edges together, we line up the corners, and hold the corners in place. And then with this side held down, push out to that edge, come down, and go up. That creates a very crisp fold without having to press down super hard. If I wanted to press down harder, I could. I bring that back out, and I've got a nice centerline fold, which oftentimes is a good thing to do. This pattern doesn't actually ask you to make a centerline fold. If we look, the very first folds they ask for are right here. If we fold it over like this, we can follow these lines. Bring this corner over. Then we're going to fold along line 2. We said it got that pretty close. Now the next thing we're going to do on this one is we're going to fold the nose back. And there's a line 3 right here on the back that we're going to use to fold that nose back. And this makes the front of the plane heavier, concentrates the weight. Now we're going to fold this in half this way. That was 4, and you see 5 just down the side of our body here. Well, that didn't go perfect, but it's not too bad. You can see that I've got a little crumple there. I'd like that to be straighter. And this is kind of high up. And that's kind of high up. Let's try that a little better. So I can flatten these out. It's much closer to the actual line. And then I'm just going to line my other wing up with that first one. There we go. Now let's see how it flies. We hold an airplane, we hold it pretty much like that, and we just try to give it a nice, gentle push into the air. Thanks for watching, and remember, a crisp fold makes all the difference. If you need to grab another piece of paper and start over, go right ahead. Just be sure the first plane makes it into the recycling.